I really recommend this. This is pretty easy to do, but so good. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to make some zucchini bread, my mom's recipe of it. We have 2 zucchinis, kind of smaller ones, cut up into here. We've got 1 cup of oil here that we're going to add to the zucchini. Let's see. Let's do the 3 eggs next. Just crack them, put them in here. Settle. Alright. Next we're going to add the 2 1/4 cups of sugar. It's 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Alright. 3 cups of flour. Alright. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and grease and flour our tins here. Got a little bit on my glove here. Alright, one done. Here's the next one. Yes, you can use something else to do it, but I find it better to use your hand to grease and flour them, because you get where you need to get to. Flour it. I kind of like to tap it a bit. Make sure it gets all around it. Alright. Now what you want to do is take your mush, the zucchini bread stuff, and put half of it in one tin and half in the other tin. Alright, now what we do, put them in the oven and bake them on 350 for an hour. See you guys then. Alright, these are what they look like after they've come out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and cut some. I just put some butter on them because they're really good. Oh, let me take this piece actually. I'm going to try this piece. Alright, as you can see, it's still really hot. Still really hot. So good. I really recommend this. This is pretty easy to do, but so good.